this video, I will show you how to send money to Ghana using TapTap Send. So first of all, open up your app and then go ahead and click on this search bar in here. And then you just need to type in Ghana and then you need to click on this in here. And now you can enter the amount that you want to transfer. And my account is set to euros. So I'm going to enter an amount of euros. So let's say 10 euro. And then I will see what is going to be in the Ghanese currency. And if you're looking to get €5 or $5 or £5 off your first transfer, then you can just go ahead and click on add promo code. And then you can enter the promo code in here. That will give you a free €5 or equivalent to that discount. So this code is JE00910. You can also go to the link in the description and then access that link. And there you will also see the code and there you can copy it and paste it in here. So it's a free €5 or $5 discount when you send more than €1 or something equivalent to that. So go ahead and use it if you like. Otherwise, let's move on with the video. And then you need to click on next. And then you can add a new recipient, so go ahead and click on this, and then you can select a delivery method, so bank account, MTN, Airtel Tigo, or Telecel, and these are local banks and local methods, so go ahead and select it. I'm just going with bank account, and then you need to fill in the bank name, bank account number, and then you need to confirm the bank account number as well. And please double check the bank account number, because TapTap Send will not be able to refund a transfer once it has been sent. So go ahead and check that, and if it's correct, go ahead and click on check details, and then you can confirm this transfer. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.